In this video, we'll show you how to change the blower motor on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the blower motor located under the glove box. Disconnect the blower motor electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the blower motor. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then remove the motor. You can order the blower motor assembly in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blower motor assembly, then insert it into its slot. Screw the 3 holding screws back in. Plug the electrical connector back in. Operation complete.